Never throw away old used engine oil if you don't want to regret it for the rest of your life. Turn that oil into money. This simple thing that many people don't know. Follow the steps in the video. This used oil is usually thrown away when we change the oil in our motorbike or car engine every month. From now on, never throw it away, because in this video, I will share a creative way of how to utilize or recycle it so that we can reuse it or it can become a business idea. First, let's prepare some candles. The amount can be adjusted according to your needs later. Okay, let's break it like this and heat it on the stove. At this stage, let's simmer it. Simmering will help the candle melt slowly, without burning. The next process here, we prepare the ingredients that we prepared earlier, namely used oil. Well, for this used oil, for the mixture, we can adjust it later. We slowly pour it into the melted wax. We mix until we see a slightly black solution. Then stir them well. Then you pour this mixture into a small glass jar and wait for it to dry. While waiting for the wax mixture to dry, we will share with you how to make use of used car oil. The ingredients are extremely simple that we can easily find. Let's pour old car oil into the jar. Then, we prepare another ingredient that we can easily find at home, which is dishwashing liquid. As for the brand, we can mix it freely. As for the ratio, we will use a 1-to-1 ratio. Then, we just need to cover and stir until it blends together. After mixing, the result will be something like this, and we can use this liquid. We can use this solution to polish the body of a car, a motorbike, or on dull parts, guys. For example, in front of us, I have prepared a very dull colored car plastic sheet like this. It's dirty. Guys, you can see it. Let's try it. and you'll see the difference right away, guys. It's very simple and easy to use. Just pour the solution on the sponge, then wipe it like this. You can see the difference. Here, we can see, it's really dirty. After the first mixture dries, the result will be something like this. It will be like a paste. We can use this mixture. The way to use it is also very simple and very easy. We can use foam or a cloth. We can use it to polish sandals or shoes, guys. Do you see the difference? So from now on, never throw away used oil because we can transform it, we can improve it. We can recycle it into a product that can make money, or we can use it ourselves to support our work in our daily life.